Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting showdown between two top dash cams in the market. On the left, we have the Vantrue N2 Pro Dash Cam, and on the right, we have the E-YEEGER Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 40p front dash camera. Get ready for a wild ride as we dive into the world of dash cams. Let's start with the most important feature of any dash cam, the video quality. The Vantrue N2 Pro boasts a dual lens system that captures both the road front and inside the passenger cabin in crystal clear 1080p resolution. It's the perfect choice for rideshare drivers who need photographic evidence in case of any rowdy passengers. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam offers an impressive 2.5K resolution, providing 70% higher pixels than 1080p. With its Starvis sensor and 6-glass lens, you can capture every detail of your drive in ultra-clear 2560 by 1440p resolution. Talk about seeing the road like never before. Now let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities of these dash cams. The Vantrue N2 Pro comes equipped with infrared night vision, thanks to its 4 IR LED lights and f/2.0 aperture. Even in low-light conditions, you can rely on flawless video footage from inside the passenger cabin. Meanwhile, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam takes low-light recording to the next level. With its f/1.8 large aperture and super night vision technology, you'll get clear and sharp footage even in the darkest of nights. No more worrying about missing crucial details when it matters the most. Let's talk about parking mode now. The Vantrue N2 Pro offers a 24-hour motion-activated parking mode, ensuring that it automatically records when it detects any motion around your vehicle. Plus, its auto LCD off timer ensures that you won't be disturbed by another glowing rectangle on your windshield. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam takes parking mode to the next level with its 24-hour surveillance. Simply use the hardwire kit, sold separately, to enable this feature, and your car will be under constant surveillance, protecting it from theft or vandalism. Now that's what we call peace of mind. Let's talk about storage capacity and warranty. The Vantrue N2 Pro supports up to 256 GB micro SD cards, giving you plenty of space to store your recordings. Plus, it comes with a full 18-month warranty, so you can buy with confidence. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam comes with a free 32 GB SD card, and it supports a maximum of 256 GB memory. With its H.265 encoding technology, you can save 50% more memory without compromising video quality. And just like the Vantrue N2 Pro, it's backed by a 1-year warranty and a 45-day full refund policy. The Vantrue N2 Pro and the E-YEEGER Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera are both excellent choices, but they excel in different areas. If you're a rideshare driver looking for dual camera functionality and top-notch night vision, the Vantrue N2 Pro might be your best bet. However, if you prioritize higher resolution and a sleek design, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam is worth considering. Remember, it's all about finding the right dash cam that suits your needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you in making a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. The product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and drive safe.